Alright everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Tedious Work Challenge from Hack the Web. So the challenge description says, in math class, our teacher tortured us with assignments. His specialty was long chain calculations like this one. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, I've always dutifully calculated them in order. Back then, I couldn't understand how some of my classmates managed to do it in their heads. Even today, I prefer to use a calculator in such cases, but no matter which method you use, the result of the calculation is your answer. So let's talk about what's going on here. So this is the Hack the Web Tedious Work Challenge, and in this challenge, we're asked to do a little bit of math. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then add these numbers all together. So what we're doing is we're adding consecutive numbers. In the case that we have to add consecutive numbers, there's a trick that can make manual calculation much quicker. So the trick is this. We've got this list of numbers, so a set of numbers from 1 to 10, and we need to add them. Okay? If we add the first and last numbers in the set, and then multiply that number by the number of items in the set divided by 2, then we can get the correct answer. So in this case, there are 10 items. We add the first and the last items, so 1 plus 10, so that's 11, and then we multiply it by the number of items in the set divided by 2, which is 5. So it's 11 times 5, and we get the result, which is 55. So you might ask yourself, what happens if there is an odd number of items in the set? So in the case that there's an odd number of items in the set of consecutive numbers, we remove the number in the middle and we add it at the end. So if we've got a set of 9 numbers, so that's an odd number in the set, we do the same thing. We add 1 and 9, the first item and the last item. Then we we remove the number in the middle, which is 5, and then we count the number of pairs. So that means there are 8 items in the set. We divide it by 2, so that's 4. So that's 10 times 4, and then add 5, and we get the result of 45. Okay, so let's go ahead and try doing this ourselves. So in the case that we've got, I don't know, let's just do some a random set of numbers. So we got 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So that's 2, 4, 6. So we got these 6 numbers. So the first thing we would do in this case is we would take the first number and the last number and we would add them together. So it's 15. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 10. So the first number and the last number. And then we add the number of items in the set divided by 2. So that is 6 numbers divided by 2. So that would result in 3. So it is 15. Whoops. Oh, I used the wrong symbol. Okay. So we multiply the first number and the last number by the number of items in the set divided by 2. So it is 15 times 3. 15 times 3 is 45. Okay, so that's 11, 21, yeah, 45. So this should be 45. We can check our math using Python. So over here we can do a Python shell, and then we can print the result of these numbers over here. So this is 45. So the other thing is, what happens if there's an odd number of items in the set? So in this case, let's do 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So So this is an odd number of items. So in this case, we do the same thing, but the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the number in the middle. So we remove the number 8, and then we set it aside to be added in at the end. So plus 8, and then we do first number plus last number. So 6 plus 10 times the number of items in the set minus the middle item divided by 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 4 divided by 2. And then the last thing we need to do is add 8. So in this case, it is 6 plus 10, 16, times 2. 4 divided by 2. 16 times 2 is 32 plus 8. So that's 40. So we can also check our math using Python. So go back here, and we'll print out the result of this. So this results in 40, so that is the correct answer. Of course, we've so the original question was 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So in this case, the answer is 55. And let's go ahead and, well, we'll do this manually one more time. Okay. So we have our 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like we did before, it is first number plus last number, and then we multiply that by the number of items in the set, which is 10, divided by 2, which is 5. So it is 11 times 10 divided by 2, 5, and the result is 55. So we will answer 55 to complete the challenge. Click on Go. And then 55 is correct. I mean, there are many different ways we could do this. We could also plug these into our calculator, but sometimes the calculator's not there. So it's nice to be able to have a way to figure this out. It's nice to have these little tricks. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Tedious Work Challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons in the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.